Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today I'm going to share two tools that I ordered from Amazon that have made cleaning up and bagging leaves a breeze. First is the bag butler, and second is the amazing rake. I've shared a few different methods in the past for handling leaves, but have never found the very best solution, because during the fall and spring, my backyard gets filled with the leaves from all these trees. To set up the bag butler, you fold the handles inside towards the logo, and you'll feel some tension as you hold the tool. Slip the bag on, and only when it's in place, let go and it will pop open and stay open. It fits 30 to 39 gallon bags. These bags are 33 gallons and just need to be folded down a little bit to fit. This is the amazing rake. The black part right above the orange handle has a lock and unlock position. I unlocked it and then twisted this bottom half to extend it, so now it's ready to go. What's great about this tool is you can rake with it, but also lift the leaves. You can see the size of the amazing rake fits perfectly within the bag butler. Although they complement each other perfectly, they are two separate products that I got on Amazon. One nice thing is there's no bending over needed when using this rake and bagging solution. And you can pick up small branches along with the leaves all in the same action. Once the bag is full, I lift the bag up and pull the bag butler right out. And then I easily tie it closed and on to bagging more leaves. Here you can see the front part of the amazing rake is perfect for raking, and once I have a pile, I can scoop it up with the back part. Now I don't bag all the leaves, as I usually leave a layer of them around for my plants. But during this time of year, there is just too many leaves and they all come down at one time. I can also pick up wet leaves with this tool, and all with little effort. And again, I lift the bag and pull out the bag butler. The bag butler can also be laid on the ground to rake leaves into it. One thing I've noticed that it's a little difficult to move the bag when it's half full and the butler's inside. So I'd recommend working in one area so you don't have to move the bag around. You can see this doesn't require me to do any bending, and I'm able to clean up the leaves in my backyard easily by myself. And the bag butler lays flat for easy storage, and the amazing rake telescope handle makes the rake smaller and easier for storage. I've tried a couple of different methods, and this is by far the fastest, funnest, and best way to quickly bag leaves in my backyard. I'll put a link in the description to the other methods that I've tried. And by the way, Mom wanted me to suggest that the bag butler would also be a great way to make a temporary trash can for an outdoor party. It's also an easy way to collect grass clippings from your lawnmower. Thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.